Well, today brought a gloomy start to the weekend with mostly cloudy skies, and now we're getting into some spotty light rain showers across the area. So here's exact track radar showing that light rainfall activity near and just to the west of Freeport and towards Savannah as well. However, not a lot of this is reaching the ground actually, because we still have a lot of dry air near the ground. So we can still expect a few light rain showers. However, they'll be very spotty and we're not going to get much out of them. As you can see here, future track not really showing a ton for activity overnight, just some very light rain showers or some sprinkles across the area. Not going to get much beneficial rainfall out of it, but it's all getting kicked up ahead of this cold front that'll be sweeping across the area heading into tomorrow morning. But that does also usher in potentially another round of some sprinkles or some light rain showers from time to time into the afternoon hours tomorrow. So we kind of just keep the gloomy weather going, if not maybe damp at a few times into tomorrow. So we'll watch out for a few sprinkles, but otherwise with those mostly cloudy skies, temperatures will even warm up a little bit even despite that cold front coming through. We'll get into the middle and upper 50s with some spots likely touching that 60-degree mark in the afternoon. We will keep a little bit of a breeze though, so that'll be kind of one thing making it feel a little cooler if not for those little rain showers. More widespread rain does return on Monday though. We could get some hefty rain totals Monday night into Tuesday morning. However, we'll have wet weather kind of sticking around for a while just with low pressure hanging around the Midwest. And then as cooler temperatures come in later in the week, we may see our first snowflakes of the season. So we've got an active week up ahead. So here's where we're at in terms of future track. So Monday afternoon, starting to see the first wave of widespread showers coming through with this low pressure system that's moving up the Midwest. This will continue to bring some widespread steady rain showers. Will be a pretty soaking night Monday night into early Tuesday morning. However, we get into a patch of drier conditions heading into Tuesday afternoon, although I would expect probably some drizzly conditions will be hanging around. However, as this low pressure system just kind of hangs around Minnesota and Wisconsin, we'll be watching another low pressure system that'll develop and move into the eastern Great Lakes, and that'll help bring in a push of colder air from the north. So we're going to start bringing in some much more wintry temperatures, and as you'll notice, even some snow across the upper Midwest. And by the time we get to Wednesday night, as that cold air centers up, we could even get into some snowflakes on our own. However, a lot of the models have been pushing that snowfall just a little bit to the south, so we'll just have to keep an eye on that we could see our first flakes of the season. It's also will just be cold enough too, so prepare for a big cool down towards the middle of next week. So mostly dry tomorrow, and then the wet weather arrives, especially Monday night, and in your most accurate 10-day forecast. Even as we dry things out later on Thursday, we're going to keep the winter-like temperatures here with highs in the 40s through that extended forecast.